The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Queens County in southeast New York, Staten Island in southeast New York, Hudson County in northeast New Jersey, Brooklyn in southeast New York, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail over Staten Island moving east at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Port Richmond, Tot Hill, Oakwood, Bayonne, Tompkinsville, Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Ridge, Bensonhurst, Coney Island, Park Slope, Sheep's Head Bay, Rockaway Beach, Ozone Park, Kennedy Airport, Howard Beach, Flatbush, Crown Heights, and Canarsie. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following county: Hudson County, New Jersey, and the following counties in New York: Brooklyn, Queens, and Staten Island. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York